Hi guys, my name is George. I currently work in customer success here at e-bate, and in this video I'll be taking you through the growth lump sum calculation type. So first of all, you're going to want to get your rebate up and start filling in these parameters and select at the very bottom the growth lump sum calculation type. The aggregation level for this example will be none, and hit save. So every other box looks like every other rebate except for the rates tab. So we'll come to here and we will click the plus logo. Once we come on here, you will see that we've got a tier growth, just like other tiered rebate calculation types, but the difference here is that we can just add a one-off sum, which is just classed as the rebate itself. So say we give someone a 2% target of growth, and if they hit that 2% target, they receive a £10,000 rebate. You can also add other rates to this page. We click the plus here. We could have it so if we want them to hit 5% growth, we will give them a £25,000 one-off lump sum rebate. So this calculation type operates differently as it's not based on tiers and the percentage of turnover. It's just, hit this tier and we will give you this amount of rebate.